So this is the bar chart that we had created. Looks okay, but it doesn't really look very pretty. One of the things you can do with Matplotlib is you can set themes. There are different ways of doing themes. First one is if you want to use the Seaborn theme, which is another Python mapping library, which has got pretty nice defaults. So we can take the same chart and set a Seaborn theme for this. So we have this script, this notebook, which takes the same data that we've created, but it says now I want to set theme with the Seaborn. So if you just include that before you create your plot. So just before you are creating your plot, say I want to set the theme to be Seaborn. Just these 2 lines will change the look of your map to be in the Seaborn style. The Matplotlib also comes with other style sheets that you can apply. Set your default style to be Seaborn, and you'll see maps in different style. One of the other things you can do is you can have bars or lines and you can add labels to it. So this shows how to take this chart and make it much nicer. So compare this, which is a default style, versus a Seaborn style map. Much nicer out of the box. And only change we had to make was just set the Seaborn theme. And this also shows how to add labels to your chart. We're going to learn about the labels ax.annotate digital later on. This is a function that allows you to add annotations to your plot at a specific location. This adds annotations on top of the bars with the value of the bar. And the only thing required to get this was to know what you call this. You need to know this is called annotations in Matplotlib, and you can just ask your assistants, I have a Matplotlib plot, I want to add annotations on top of each bar, and then it'll give you code that looks like this.